Yeah. Four. Oh. Uh. 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 I forgot. Jesus Christ, what the hell is it called? I forgot. I don't know. Wow, why did I forget? That's bad, but I want to send this pizza though. Wait, I can. Wow, that was a big drop. I don't want to scratch anything in this car. So, holy shit. Wow, race car. PISTA. Okay, it doesn't work. This car's not on, as you can tell. I'm never gonna forget this moment.
Why are you in this shit?
Because this is like the newest car.
The newest one?
Yeah.
These seats?
Yeah, they're race seats. They're bucket fixed. They're fixed. This is like a high ass option.
What?
This is a high option on this car.
Nah,
All of this is carbon, Alcantara.
No, when you're sitting right here, the fucking that shit's all in the way and shit.
Well, this is gonna be. This
No,
is
not that part. I'm talking about you just when you're trying to stretch your legs out.
Oh, this?
Oh, they took it off.
Yeah, they took it off for some odd reason. But this is like basically track car. Gotta get out of it nice. Oh, impractical. Very impractical. But so worth it. God damn, look at that engine.
Yeah, no.
The exhaust tips is like fucking. Alright, let's go.